you believe we're already on day 9 of the Reset 2.0 challenge? I hope you're enjoying it and it's giving you that kick you needed to start 2024. Today I have a 15-minute Pilates workout coming for you, and I know that you're going to love it and break a sweat. Grab yourself some mat, guys, if you need one, a drink of water, and let's get going with day 9 of the Reset challenge. We're going to start seated today, guys, so come down onto your bottoms, ground through the feet, and we're going to start by rocking backwards with a bent spine. Open through the arms, come back up, stretch up nice and tall, and then bring the arms back down to center. Rock back, taking the arms wide, come back up, bringing the arms up, and then down to center. We're going to breathe out as we go back, and then take a nice deep breath in as you bring the arms up and forwards. Keep this motion going, and we're aiming to do around 6 of these. When you're ready, let's slowly retract vertebrae by vertebrae all the way down to the floor. And we're going to bring our legs up into that tabletop position, one leg at a time. Take the hands behind the head, and we're going to just lift the upper body off the floor here. So the hands just assist your head. And then take a nice deep breath in. On your exhale, you're going to release both legs to do a toe tap on the floor. Exhale to release the legs down. Inhale to bring them back up. All the while you're keeping the shoulders and head off the ground also. And release. Take the feet down to ground on the floor. Relax the arms by your side. The next exercise we're going to do is a single leg bridge. So take one leg up nice and straight. Lift through the hips. And then once you're at the top, you're going to drop that leg down, keeping it nice and straight. Raise it back up and then bring the hips down. So let's go with an exhale as we lift the hips up. Drop that leg. Inhale as you raise the leg back up and come back down to the floor. Let's aim for around 8 of these here, guys. Now, when you've done your 8, keep that leg raised, and you're going to just do pulses here for a count of 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly, let's bring that leg down to the floor, and we're going to change sides here. So let's straighten through the opposite leg. Take a nice breath in. Exhale, let's drive the hips up. Release that leg down. Inhale to come back up and release the hips down. Exhale, let's drive. Inhale to release. Let's go for another 6 here. After your last one, let's pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release back down to the ground. Let's take the hands back behind the head, raising your head and your shoulders off the floor. We're going to extend the legs out nice and straight, and we're going to scissor the legs here, just keeping the upper body off the floor. Now, when you're finished, we're going to leave the legs in a scissor position but leave them static. And we're just going to bring the arms by the side, raise them up by our ears, and then take them back down again. Inhale to bring the arms up, exhale to bring the arms down. Now, leaving the hands behind your head again once more, you're going to bring both legs up, horizontal, and we're going to do 5 circles one way, 5 circles back the other way. Now release the legs back into the scissor in the opposite leg formation as to what you just did. And we're going to just do another 6 of the arms. So keeping the upper body off the floor. Inhale to bring the arms up above your head. Exhale to bring them back down. When you're ready, bring the knees in towards your chest, and then let's rock our way up to seated. Come through onto our all fours position. We're actually going to drop onto our elbows here, our forearms. Kick up one leg at the back and then lower it down. So exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Try not to dip too much through the spine here, guys. So it's staying in that nice formation, literally just lifting the leg up and down. And go ahead and switch legs when you're ready. Okay, make your way over onto your side, and we're going to do side plank raises. So we're going to start with our legs on the floor, arm by your side. Take a nice deep breath in, and on the exhale, you're going to reach up over your head, lifting through the hips, coming into our extended side plank. Exhale to lower back down, and inhale to come back up. We want to aim to do around 8 to 10 on each side here, guys. When you're ready, let's change sides. Exactly the same motion on the opposite side. So hands by your side, coming onto the side of your legs, lifting up through the side body, reaching over into that extended side plank, and then inhale to come back down. Exhale to come up, and inhale to come back down. Really drive through the hips here. Use that supportive arm also to extend up through the shoulder. Perfect. Okay, coming back through, we're going back onto the forearms. So come back through all fours, drop onto the forearms here. And we're going to come into a forearm plank. We're going to dip the hips side to side here. So rocking the body to one side, coming back through center, and then dip into the other side. Keep that motion going, guys. Stay strong, stay grounded. Contract through the whole core here. Perfect. Now drop the knees, untuck the toes. Let's take the hands to the side of our chest and push up, getting a little extension here through the spine. Lower back down. Take the hands back, bend through the knees, hands grab the outer edges of the feet, and we're just going to extend here through the spine also. So drive the feet in towards the hands and push up. Lift up, look up, and release. Perfect. And again, coming back into that forearm plank. This time we're going to rock forwards and backwards. So on the tiptoes, just going to push and drive forwards and backwards here. Again, once more, when you're ready, untuck the toes, drop the knees, take the palms of the hand to the side of the chest and drive up through that upper body, getting that extension through the spine. Then come back down, take your hands behind you, grab the outer edges of your feet, and then drive up as well. Kick the feet into the hands, look up. Perfect, guys, really well done. Have a little wiggle here, rock the hips side to side. Let's go into our happy baby here, just briefly before the next exercise. Perfect. And when you're ready, let's come through seated into our straddle with the legs, and we're going to go into our seesaw. So take opposite arm to foot, come back up to the center, switch arms, take the hips over that front leg and bend forward. To integrate the breath here, let's exhale to move forward, inhale to come back up, and exhale to go forward. One more here, guys. Really good, well done. That is your Pilates workout, day 9 complete. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Stay tuned and I'll catch you tomorrow for day 10.